Now let us quickly understand what are pointers to records or pointers to structures. Now we have a structure here, which is a point with fields x and y. Now when we create a structure variable, record variable of type point, p will get its own copy of the entire set of fields. So that means x and y will have its own memory blocks. Now p dot x will refer to the x field within p and p dot y refers to the y field within p. Now what this declaration means? So struct point star ptr. ptr is a pointer to a record of type point. So that means ptr will occupy some memory space in memory which is capable of holding some address, and this address might belong to a record of type point. So that is what it means. So ptr is a pointer to a structure or a pointer to a record of type point. Now this is the difference between these two. Now when we assign the pointer variable the address, we can now access the fields, and here ptr is referring to p. So through p, if we want to access the fields, we should use dot operator, but through pointer, if you are looking to access those fields, we need to use of operator, which is minus and greater than symbol combination. So ptr of x refers to the x field of the record which is pointed by p, and ptr of y is the y field of the record which is pointed by ptr. This is how it is. Let us see this through an example. So I'm going to modify the previous example that we have written, and I want to convert this into a function. See, I want to write a function called read, which is capable of reading the record, and similarly I want to convert this to a function call which reads the point q. Now if you look at it, p and q are record variables which have their own copy of x and y. Now when we call the read function, we should be capable of reading the x and y inside p. And in order to do that, we need to call this function by reference, because we are looking to modify the p and q inside the read function. So we are trying to assign the values to the p and then to the q. Now in order to do this, we need the address, the reference operator. So here I'm going to write a function called read which accepts a pointer to a record of type point. Now we will actually do the read scanf calls inside the read. Now instead of q dot or p dot, I will say ptr of. So this is how it is. Here I am doing a scanf. I am reading the content and reading an integer value, and we are placing that inside the variable x of the record pointed by ptr. Now the first time ptr will point to p, so the xy will fields refer to the fields of the p. Now next second time when ptr is referring to q, so the x and y fields refer to the xy fields of q. So now we read the values into the given records, and then we calculated the distance and we printed the distance, and here I want to print the values as well. So I will say print of p and print q. Now because I am not trying to modify anything inside the print function, so I can take it by value. Let us define the print function now. Void print. I'll take a structure point, say for example some, let's say t. Now I will print the values. Printf, I'll just put %d comma %d, and I'll print the value of x and the value of y. and I'll print a /n. Now what is the difference between these two? This is a pointer, this is expecting the address, but this is expecting the record. In this case, the content of P is copied to T. So many modifications done to T will not affect the given point. Similarly, when we make a second call, the content of Q is copied to T, and T dot X means it's its own copy. So this is called by value and this is called by reference. Now that's the difference between these two. So here in this case we are taking the address and we are referring to the original record. Now here in this case we are taking a copy of the original record. So this is called by value and this is called by reference. So that's the difference between these two. I'll just say point P is so this example demonstrates how to refer to the record using pointers and also how to pass the records to functions. Two ways of passing the records, one by value and one by reference. So by reference is pointing to the original record, just remember that, and by value simply takes a copy of that record. Now let us see how this works. So there is this mistake, PTR. First point, let's say 10, 20. Second point, let's say 8 and 18. So this is what is the obtained end result.